Climb inside the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.